Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate TikTok Shop with Printify for print on demand. Step 1. Log into your Printify account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Step 2. Set up your store and product listings inside Printify. Step 3. Go to TikTok Shop Seller Center and register as a seller. Step 4. Once approved, navigate to Apps and find Printify in the integration list. Step 5. Click Connect and follow the O authentication prompts. Step 6. Sync your Printify products or your TikTok shop catalog. Step 7. Test your listing visibility and order a sample for verification. And that's how you link your Printify catalog to TikTok shop for automated print-on-demand selling. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.